How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can make a car wrap concept in Photoshop Pro CC. The first thing that you want to do is to simply click on the object selection tool and just select the car that you want to apply the wrap concept of. So in our case, it's going to be this one. And then you want to deselect the something like wheels, windows, and basically the parts where you don't want to apply the concept of. So just click on the minus button, and then you can start by highlighting the wheels itself so it won't actually apply onto this specific areas. Now you just have to do this for the entire car. Maybe let's do it onto this part right here, and also on the headlight itself. Now, to make things faster, I'll just go ahead and do this as fast as I can. But of course, you want to do this as clean as possible. But once again, in my case, I'll just go ahead and be fine with this one. And now you then want to press Ctrl J on your keyboard so it will actually duplicate the layer. And now we're left with this one. This is where the wrap will actually apply to. So from here, go to File, click the Place Embedded, or you can just go ahead and simply open the file itself. So in my case, it's going to be this one. What you want to do is to simply copy the layer and then place it onto the top of the car itself. In here, you then want to transform so it matches or wraps around the car itself. So in our case, it's going to apply at the bottom of the car. So I'm fine with this one. Now, what you want to do next is to just clip the wrap concept onto the layer that we have made earlier. So to do that, press Alt on your keyboard, and then you want to highlight this bottom layer, and so it will then apply something like this. Now, as of the moment, it doesn't really look that good, so you can try to do something like the multiply blend or something like an overlay. But in here, I'm going to do something like the multiply option. And the last thing that I'm going to do is to just add an FX, and then let's do something like the blending options. So it's going to be on the first section right here. And then you can try adjusting the underlying layer. And so that's basically how you make a car wrap concept in Photoshop. Now, of course, you can make this better, but I've made it faster just to show you on how you can do this quickly. But of course, I've only taken this low PNG file right here. You could, of course, make this better once again. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.